soft pink dusk of twilight blankets the city, and vigilant soul heeds the sounds of despair, and bravely responds. Masked in the deep shadows of the surrendering sun, and armed with an unquenchable appetite for cupcakes. Our spunky Spartan of sprinkles barges forth where even the most valiant fear to tiptoe.
That's not really helping.
Meanwhile, off in the distance, encased in a solid sepulchre of cinders, startling transmogrification crackles to life from its carven chrysalis. Crack! Pop! Oh, come on! I totally knew this was gonna happen! But then... Uncle Larry? Uncle Larry! Come back! Oh, wait! Stop! Blink, clunk, bonk, tonk. Clunk, slam, bonk, clunk. Blink, bonk, clunk, clunk, bam. Clunk, clink, bip, slam, bunk. Poff, biff, clunk, bonk, punk. Clink, bunk, plunk, pow, clunk, clink, conk. Clink, plonk, tonk, buffer, bang, bup, zonk. Zip! Uncle Harry! Oh! Hey, new guy! My new butterfly is even newer than you! I'm not new! I'm not new! I'm not new! Yeah, well maybe you're not new, but you're gonna need a new robot. Crash! You'll never catch me! Trip. Scoosh! Hey look, that new cupcake-themed superhero just captured the new villain. How'd you do it? Well,
No.
And look, he just captured Piggy! And he's recovered the stolen Hope Moon ring! It's too bad he didn't capture all of the fleas.
Yeah, I wonder whatever happened to Crunky and Bub.